Hi guys, paper cutting craft with Goodman here.
Have you ever wondered what if we made a paper cut shadow box using only paper? Here is all you're gonna need. White and color A4 card stock size, 170 GSM, double-sided tape, glue, art knife or a Cricut cutting machine. Link for purchase the template at the description box. After purchasing, upload the file on Cricut Design Space and let the cutting process begin. Here are all the layers after cutting process. Check out the description box to see videos about how to make paper frame and paper spacer. Now let's assemble them together. So what do you think about our new creature? Please leave your comment at the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.